Hello, my name is Tracy Pappenfuss, and I am a member of the Health and Environmental Sciences Institute Immunosafety Technical Committee, or HESI-ITC. The HESI-ITC is a scientific organization whose members have positions in industry, academia, and government, and who work together to address issues relating to immune safety and its impact on human health. In this presentation, we will introduce you to the field of immunosafety and describe its role in the development of new therapies, chemicals, and cosmetics. The immune system is extraordinarily complex. Responses are dynamic and can differ between individuals, making safety determination for developing therapies challenging. Therapies designed to suppress the immune system may increase the risk of infections and even the development of cancer due to altered anti-tumor immune surveillance. Alternatively, if there is overt stimulation by therapies, then possible safety risks include inflammation, hypersensitivities, and autoimmune disease. Evaluating whether a therapy is safe requires an understanding of not only the therapy and its mechanism of action, but also how any given host or patient may respond, which may not be fully known, may vary between individuals, or may differ depending upon the health and disease status of any individual. For example, in 2006, a monoclonal antibody that was designed to manipulate the body's immune system to treat leukemia and autoimmune diseases was given to 6 healthy volunteers during initial phase 1 clinical trials, with disastrous results. Life-threatening side effects, including cytokine storm and multi-organ failure, highlighted the importance of a true understanding of immune differences across species and changed the approach when moving from preclinical safety studies to clinical trials. In 2020, a novel coronavirus and its associated disease, COVID-19, caused a global pandemic, infecting over 60 million people and resulting in nearly 1.5 million deaths. In response, there was an unprecedented scientific effort to understand, treat, and develop a vaccine more rapidly than ever had occurred in history. In November of 2020, several vaccine candidates were rapidly developed without circumventing safety evaluation. These vaccines are now being administered to individuals across the world with relatively few side effects to date. Throughout the entire process of developing an effective vaccine, there were processes in place that helped to ensure the safety of vaccines and COVID-19 therapies. So what is immunosafety? Immunosafety is a component of safety evaluation required by regulatory authorities that focuses on how new drugs, therapies, vaccines, and chemical agents affect the immune system. Immunosafety evaluation occurs throughout drug development and in the evaluation of all nature of food and chemical entities. Immunosafety not only determines overtly toxic effects, but identifies the spectrum of potential immune effects of any therapy. For immunomodulatory therapies, assessment of immunosafety may also additionally need to take into account the intended or expected immune modifying effects and the benefits versus risks evaluation for a disease indication to fully assess immunosafety. So for a new therapy under development, in addition to determining whether it works, is to determine whether it is safe. The evaluation of expected and unexpected effects help determine whether the benefits outweigh the risks. Such decisions take into account many factors, including but not limited to the disease, current therapies, toxicity, and patient population. Therapies that can affect the immune system can do so simply by the nature of the therapy or compound, or can be specifically designed to modulate the immune system. Here are just some of the immunomodulatory therapies that are available, and these various therapies have numerous applications in a variety of diseases, some of which are listed here. Over the past decade, there has been a relative explosion in the number of therapies that can influence the immune system, thus increasing the need and importance of immunosafety evaluation. Assessing immunosafety involves a collaboration among scientists and the integration of data across many disciplines. The evaluation of immunosafety occurs throughout the life of any therapy, from preclinical up to and including clinical phases. During this time, immunotoxicologic evaluations occur, which include the evaluation of the phenotype and function of immune cells in the immune system and pathologic changes in immune organs. Clinical monitoring for adverse events occurs in both preclinical and clinical phases and is an important component since functional changes may occur clinically that are not evident based on immunotoxicologic data. Taken together, these information provide a detailed understanding of immune system changes in the context of therapy, relevant disease state, and the variability of an individual's immune response. As you can imagine, immunosafety work involves numerous professionals working together from bench to bedside. A whole host of scientists, researchers, medical professionals, and regulatory personnel are involved and work collaboratively. The careers and training are diverse, and it is the different expertise and perspectives that help provide an integrated understanding of immunosafety for any therapy. In summary, immunosafety is a dynamic field that evaluates novel biomedical research advances and addresses public health concerns to determine the effects on the immune response of new therapies, foods, cosmetics, and other chemical entities. In immunosafety, the overall safety and for new therapies, whether the benefits outweigh the risks are evaluated. Ultimately, determining immunosafety for any given therapy, disease entity, or in any patient is a coordinated and collaborative effort by scientists, medical professionals, and regulatory personnel to help provide safe drugs and therapies to patients. Thank you for your time and attention. If you have any additional questions regarding the field of immunosafety or anything in this presentation, please feel free to contact the HESI ITC.